Hello, friends. I hope that you are doing well. Welcome to this discussion. On this video, I will be showing you how to fix the invalid confirmation number error if you're getting it while trying to access your green card DV lottery application results. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing if you've not yet done so, like and share in support of this channel and also for more. For you to be getting this invalid confirmation number error, you must be in one of the following situations. And knowing in what situation that you are will help you in knowing what to do to resolve the issue. So the first situation is when you submitted your application successfully and got the confirmation number, you wrote it down somewhere. So either you wrote it down somewhere or you printed it out so you have a hard copy, or you saved that confirmation number in some type of device, maybe your phone or laptop. So you've saved it somewhere. And therefore, when you're getting the invalid confirmation number, maybe you have copy pasted the confirmation number to the space that you're supposed to enter the confirmation number when checking the results. So if you have copy pasted and then you ended up getting this error, make sure that there is no space between before the first letter of the confirmation number, that is 2, and there is no space after the last letter of the confirmation number. So like for example, with what I'm displaying, ensure there is no space after number 3, that is the last letter, or before letter 2, that is the first letter of the confirmation number. So if you're copy pasting, ensure there is no space there. If you printed a hard copy or maybe you wrote it down, then probably you are entering the confirmation number by typing it in that space. So the first thing to check to ensure it is correct is the program, the year of the program. For example, with this one, 2024. If you're checking for 2024 at this time, you're definitely going to get an error. This is because the results are yet to be published. So once the results of a program have been published, you're able to check. So ensure it's the correct program year. Then if you're typing the confirmation number in the space there, also ensure that it has 16 characters. 16 characters is a mixture of letters and numbers. That is ABCDs and 1, 2, 3s. So ensure it has a total of 16 characters. If yours has less or more than 16 characters, then you need to check letter by letter, number by number to ensure you know which one you've maybe not entered, or which one have you added which was not there. Something else you need to note is some letters and numbers might look the same. For example, a letter O and number 0. If you're not careful, you might interchange the two. So ensure whenever you're keying in a 0, it's a 0 and not an O, or an O entered instead of a 0. Another letter that is easily interchanged is letter B and number 8. So ensure that you're not interchanging the two. So there's B and number 8. They are also interchanged. Another letter and number that can be interchanged is number 1 and capital I. So ensure that you're not interchanging your letter 1 and your number 1 and capital letter I. Something else that
can be easily interchanged is letter W, and if you have two V's together, a double V, it might look like a W. So ensure that you're not also making that mistake. And to show how you can be able to know the difference between those letters, I'll display a hand written paper here so that we can get to go through it and see the differences. In the display, you can see a letter 0 and O. There is a difference. For a 0, there is like a line inside the 0. So that's how you know that's a 0. And if the 0 doesn't have the line, then you know that's an O. And then the second one is the number 1 and letter I, capital. So for number 1, it is the letter that is on the left and capital I is on the right. That's how you know the difference. You can see for number 1, there's like an arrow. You can see the difference in the two. The other letters is the double V, as you can see, and letter W. So you can see how to note the differences. And then there is number 8 and letter B. So these can also be interchanged. So if you're getting an error, check that you've not interchanged any of these numbers, and you will be able to log in and get your results. If you're still getting that error after trying those things, you can come back to this video and comment, and I will be able to help you resolve that issue to be able to check your results. Friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, like and share for more, and also in support of this channel. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.